Hey everyone, happy new year and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing the Instant Pot Duo Nova that I've wanted for a very long time and I recently picked up from the Macy's holiday sale. So I won't make this video too long, so let's get right into it. And so we have instructions. This thing, which I suspect to be, I guess, like a seal to the lid, a power cord, some help it. You pull it, I'll take the box. Okay, pull it up, Mama. Thank you. Ooh, look at that. And this is the, what quart is this? This is the 6 quart. Put the box right there. So this is the 6 quart. Says quick release button. Steam releases automatically set to. Okay, so this is just where you would release it, where the steam comes from. Open it. And this is what it looks like on the inside. And then here in the front you see all of the dials. I'm not sure what this is. So we love to read the instructions. Came with this. So let me show you what these look like. So you have all of your options. I'm going to plug it in. Let's see what the display looks like. I guess my next video will be a cook with me using the Instant Pot. You can cook so many things on it. I've seen soups, rice, Indian curries. I've seen some people make curry goat. That's one I am looking forward to. So this is just to show you the display. And so that's soup, meat, beans, chili, poultry, slow cook, saute, and pressure levels, and all that good stuff. So that's what the display looks like. But there we go. So I'm gonna just put this back together.
I go to peas in the I go to peas and then they count to 1, but because
okay, so there's also a cooking timetable where they have a list of fruit, vegetables, fish, lobster, different proteins, and how long the suggested cooking times. And it looks like this is in maybe French on the back, English and French. And then this is the safety, maintenance, and warranty booklet. And then this is the welcome and the instructional book. So yeah, so it has how to test it, initial setup, remove all packaging materials, place cook on a solid level, stable surface, read all of the instructions, and then it just basically gives you a breakdown of it. So I'm so happy. Okay. Yeah. So this is my unboxing of the Instant Pot Duo Nova pressure cooker. The next video will be a tutorial using it, or like a cook with me. So if you have any recipe ideas that you would like to see, please leave them in the comment section. And also If there are any other kitchen gadgets that you would like to see me unbox, leave it down below. Leave me some ideas.
School buses.